We can open?
Yeah. I need to. Madam can make the video. You can make open. First you want to pay, sir. First you want to pay after.
Uy, bayaran mo. You pay first after you open. What is?
This is alright. We can fish outside, huh?
Yeah, sure. 100%. No worries. Yeah, sir.
Ang bumili ng drone niya.
Ito na yung drone.
Tuwa siya.
How many megapixel camera?
The tool 128.
120.
Yeah. You can assemble this.
Ano mo na kasi di ba i-ano niya pa?
Then you put size. How many minutes for the...
Like half an hour, minimum half an hour. This is the battery. This is the battery. And here need to charge. The charger.
Hindi siya ng drone.
Okay, this is the connector of this one. The charging connector of this
Bago
one.
ng drone.
And extra fillers. Charging cable.
What's this one? What's it?
Yeah, cable. Fan. Extra fan. This is the cable. iPhone, Samsung.
iPhone?
Yeah.
Connector for the cell phone. What's this one?
Charger this one. The cable.
We can try together.
Yeah.
Remove the battery or...
No need. Now you can put it. And this one you need to remove. When you're starting before this one, you need to remove. This is the camera. See this is here the connecting charger. And this inside have this one connector.
Wala na pala.
And charge mo na ng maximum 30 minutes, my friend.
Yes sir.
30 minutes
30 minimum 30
for the charger.
I need more than 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, gimbal. Yeah.
Sa wakas nakabili na rin kami ng drone. Marami guys silang ano dito, marami silang binibintang ano dito, mga drones. Marami silang stock.
गिम्बल से लिया ये गिम्बल है उसमें मोबाइल ये मोबाइल के लिए ये गिम्बल के लिए इसके ओल्ड
Oh, Mavic Mini. This one, Mavic 2 Pro. Dami guys nilang binibintang ano dito, drone. Nakakatawad ka pa.
बगैर मोबाइल इसमें मेमोरी कार्ड डालेंगे
Ha? Tagal pa eh. Testing pa natin sa ano. Doon sa labas. Ha?
A few moments later.
Left rotation, right rotation. Okay. It's going front, the back, the left, the right. Okay. The back and front is like you want to play. Okay, I can hold your no problem. Like that. Like hold this together. Slowly. No. Ready? I make it. Like slowly. Yeah. Slowly.
Mamaya bumagsak yan. Sige. Huh. Sira. Itaas mo.
This one is for
Front. Make it front and the back and left side. Yeah. Make it left side. This hand. And another opposite side like this side. Slowly. Another side. Opposite. Right side. Make it height. Make it height.
Si Johnny
Like this side, yeah. I
nagpapalitan.
give the signal like go height like this side. Height. Front. Now it's okay. Yeah? You don't understand. Yeah. Make it down slowly down. There you want to plant. There you want to plant. You want to adjust it.
Oh, saan ba? Dan o
Go
dito?
front. You are going to go front. No. There. Slowly. Make it front. Slowly front. And make it down. Make it down. Down. No problem. Down. Slowly front.
Dahan-dahan.
Slowly. Plant. Direct land. Yes. It's a land. Okay. Start. One more time. But how I say? Starting.
starting.
The L like inside. No. Here. This one.
Okay.
Lubat na siya oh.
Like this type. Leave.
Wala.
That is the up. What you want to do? See, this is the start. Leave it. Okay. Make it down. Up. Okay. No. Don't do this one. This is the down. Off. Okay, together, leave. Enough. When you're flying the propeller, see, is the off, yeah? The rotation is suddenly lose, okay? Start. One more time. No. Yeah. Down and start. No. See, this is the hand. No. Leave. The down and inside. Yeah. No. Leave. Their rotation is leave. Oh, okay. After slowly high. Yeah. But now the low battery showing.
Hindi na pwedeng lumipat. Kung baka mapakal Manong.
Why? Yes. Now is slowly height. No. It's about slowly height. Okay. But now the warning coming. This is the low battery.
Lubat na siya.
This is the warning coming.
Uy, baba mo na.
Low battery. Okay. Now you can land it. Sir. Hello.